Hey guys, it's me, Snowstorm, the signature snow leopard. So, I gotta turn on another light, but today it's finally time for me to get a bath. I actually am super duper duper oily, so I just decided to give him a bath. It's time because he's ill. So let me hold that. And I don't know why, but in every bath video that I haven't made yet, in JJ's, I was in it, but I don't know if he uploaded that or not. So I'm gonna get it, and I got a towel, I got a soap. That's actually my soap, but and I think this is like his second bath. The reason why I'm doing it in the sink, not the tub, is because I feel like I would be wasting water if I'd done it in the tub. And the reason why I'm not doing it in the bathroom sink is because our drains go down, except they're broke, I think. And my phone is actually going dead, except I still got like an hour left. So, before it dies. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he's in the water. Look at his chest. It's like so cute. Oh, he's so heavy. It's like, it'll take probably 2 people to lift him up, like, really up high. It's so heavy. I just still can't believe I got him. This was actually a 2013 Webkins, I believe. Yeah. So that's why I'm just in my kitchen sink. It's like, I think it's better in my kitchen sink. And this time I know not to put them in a dryer. Because last time I put one of my weapons in the dryer before. And, oh god, that was my Webkins cockapoo. You probably have never heard of her because she's not in a lot of my videos. Because, of course, I don't have her no more. Because I think I left her somewhere. I got my cousins or something. So he's going to smell delicious because this is like some type of fruity smell. Except it's Hello Kitty. It's really, it smells pretty. Look at him, he's so cute. The reason I'm doing it on this side is because I always done the bath part on this side, except for once. I done it on this side, and there's actually dishes there that need to be washed. So, okay. I actually didn't put enough soap on him, so. Next sword. It's so hard to open the soap. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now I got enough soap. Yay! And finally I gave a signature bath. Y'all never ever seen me give any of my signatures a bath, I don't believe. Probably once or something, but that was a video that I technically deleted off my channel because I had like 70 something. But how can I say that? Because like Ask Cupcake has 2,000 or more. I don't know. Yeah, her 2000th video. So I actually like Ask Cupcake. A lot of people think that like her hair is weird, but I actually like it pepper. Okay. And turn this on a little. Not too much, but just a little. Let's go. Just a little, not too much. It's not too much spraying out of this, but it's like a shower, so. Yeah, I'm gonna empty it out. Like, yeah, that was a lot. Oh, you so... Get all that water out of them before we soak them into some fresh and clean water. Not no bubbly, soapy water. Okay, so let's just go ahead and clog it. Or not clog it, but rinse them off and stuff. Ugh, almost got my phone soaked. It's not a good idea to have my phone there, but oh well. Because I think I'm getting a new one, you know. Gotta move that switch up. So let me pick up my camera because I haven't been holding it for the longest amount of time. So I'm gonna have to hold it with my bad hand, by the way, y'all. You're gonna get showered on. Okay. Back down again. So I could just... Okay. There you go. There's actually slipping out. So now I just gotta rinse them off regular. Okay. I actually got a brush down here so I can brush them. Okay, now let's make sure all my soap's out. Yes. Make sure you watch it for me. Oh, I was about to say, wait, I'm not gonna make part 2 right now, am I? No. Nope, I sure am not. I'm sure not. Okay. Or in a little bit I'll have to, but now I'm gonna brush them out with a brush. Ooh. Watch part 2.